Hi, good afternoon. My name is Julio Cesar. I live in Mexico City, and I would like to introduce you this personal project which combines two of my passions: the crypto world and everything related to it. For example, blockchain, trading analysis, trends of the market, and my current profession as cloud architect. And as cloud architect, I used to work with software, I used to work in the cloud, I used to do programming. So I fusion these two passions that I have to automate my trading, creating a bot trading which has an hybrid architecture. The half of the architecture is in the cloud, and another half is in my local computer. So uh, I will introduce you to that project. If you have any comment or question regarding to it, please let me know in the comments. And here we go. This is the full. Well, this is my trading view. This is my local computer, and this is the architecture that I'm going to introduce you first. So here we have my trading view. Here in trading view, I have some algorithms. I will introduce you to that later. But these algorithms sends to trade what works in TradingView, and every 15 minutes TradingView send me some data through webhook, and I catch that data in the cloud. Here I am working in AWS, and in AWS API gateway, I got the data. Then with AWS Lambda, I transform the data and create the data into a JSON file. Once I have the JSON file, I store it in Amazon S3. And in my local computer, this is the face of my local computer. My local computer is connected to the cloud through PowerShell or AWS CLI. So I download the data from the cloud to my personal computer and transform the data, store it, process it, and as I already say, store it into a database. So if the data contains some parameters that are interested for me, I send, I create a long or short position into my broker through an API. To do this, I need to create a JSON file and send that JSON file through an API to Bybit. Bybit catch the data, process the data, and creates the order, and send me again a response, which is also processed with Python and store the result into my database. So this is the full architecture that I have. It is hybrid because one part is in the cloud and the other part is in my local computer. And I have currently working with this project for about 8 December, 9 December, something like that. So let me show you the algorithms, because let's start for the first step, the algorithms. And to see the algorithms, we need to focus on what we have in this screen. Currently, I have two different algorithms working. The first algorithm, was made by me. It is very simple. The logic is very simple. If we have, yes, if we have the green line above the red line, then the potential trend to the price is go over. But let's view this part. If we have the red line above the green line, so the potential trend to the market is down. So that's the logic. That's the logic that I have to do. The another algorithm, let me show you. It's quite similar. If the price, can you see it well? Yes. Let me delete this. if the price is in the red zone, then the potential trend is to get a reversal, and the potential trend is going to be down. And if the price is in the green zone, the potential trend is upper. So this is all the logic that I have. If we are in the green zone, we try to go up, and if we are in the red zone, the potential trend is go down. Of course, this is not 100% accurate. That's why I need to combine these trends or these algorithms with another algorithms that can me combine these two algorithms. I didn't do this yet, but I need to create a third algorithm. The third algorithm will combine these two algorithms and try to give me the potential trend to the market. So what's the idea? The idea is very simple. As we already said, if we are in a red zone, let's see this. If we are in a red zone, the potential trend to the market is go down, like this. So what I should do? Well, I should put some position, in this case short positions, in this part of the market. So every 15 minutes, there is a bot in this site. There is a bot that every 15 minutes update my zones. For example, this, you are going to see, well, this. Update these zones and put a new position every 15 minutes and cancel the previously. To do what? Well, to catch all this movement that we have. This case will be a short position, and this another case, let me zoom it. This another case will be a long position. Can you see it? So, what's the data that I have from TradingView? Because remember that every 15 minutes I got data from TradingView. Well, the data that I got from TradingView, let me delete this. In exactly 6 minutes, in the next 6 minutes, we are going to see here 4 alerts. Well, every 15 minutes and every hour also, I got a data. This data contains something like this, some information like this. We have the exchange, the ticker, the price, the time, interval, and some other parameters. Now, these parameters are sent to the cloud. Let me open it. Open notifications, and yes. These parameters are sent to Amazon AWS to this URL. This URL, let's go to the cloud. This URL, it's public. So this means that everybody in the world can call or can do an invocation for this URL. But in this special case, for every signal that I got from TradingView, I have a password. So if you want to open this URL, the Lambda will start looking for the token. If you don't have the token, the Lambda won't execute it. But if you have the token, Lambda will start to process the data, create the JSON file, and store it here into S3, into my S3 bucket. Now, when I have my S3 bucket with files, my personal computer, which is in the left side, let's go. Here it is. My personal computer is going to apply all these programs that I have here. I have 6 different scripts which process the data scan for my broker, and if there is not any open order, we are going to open a new order. Okay, so that's what I do. And this is the broker. I want to show you, this is my broker. Right now my broker doesn't have any current position open, so let's ingest these two JSON files with my computer. To do this, I just need to click on play button, and we are going to start to see that there is a processing in my local computer, and if we try to update our bucket, we are going to see that it's empty. Why? Because we already processed it. As I already said here, I already downloaded the JSON file, processed it, stored it in a database, and send it as a new order to my broker. If we open my broker, we are going to see that here there are two new orders. So this is my, I wanted to show you once I create the new files, but it will take 1 minute, so maybe it won't be a good idea to wait for it. So this is my bot trading, which helped me to improve my skills in trading, and of course helped me to improve my skills in programming. So this is, I'm going to do more. I'm going to add more things to my platform and start to put in my money working for me, even if I am sleeping. So this is, if you have any question or any comment regarding to this, please let me know in the comments, and in the next video I will show you the new items or the new features that I will add to my platform quickly, very soon. So this is, thanks for watching me, and have a very good new have a very happy new year. Happy new year. Goodbye.